In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PowerPoint slide. Getting the orientation of your PowerPoint slides just right can make a huge difference in the impact of your presentation. Whether you're aiming for a traditional landscape layout or you're looking to switch things up with a portrait orientation, PowerPoint makes this adjustment a straightforward process. Follow along as we dive into the steps to rotate your PowerPoint slide, ensuring your content captures the audience's attention in the most effective way possible. First things first, you'll need to open up Microsoft PowerPoint. This may seem like a step as simple as a click, but ensuring you've got the right version of PowerPoint open could save you from compatibility issues down the line. Once the program is up and running, you'll be greeted with the opening screen, which is your gateway to both new and existing presentations. At this juncture, you'll want to open your presentation file. Navigate through the opening screen to locate and select the presentation you wish to modify. Opening your file brings your project right to the forefront, setting the stage for your creative adjustments. Once your presentation is open, our next stop is the Design tab. Located at the top of your PowerPoint window, the Design tab is where you'll find all sorts of tools aimed at enhancing the visual appeal of your slides. It's more than just about colors and themes, it's also where you'll make our desired orientation adjustment. After clicking the Design tab, look for the Slide Size option. It usually resides towards the right side of the menu, and it's your gateway to adjusting the physical dimensions of your slides. A click here brings us a step closer to changing the orientation. Upon clicking Slide Size, you'll see an option labeled Custom Slide Size. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this option opens up a new dialog box, brimming with possibilities for customizing your slides to fit your precise needs. Inside the Custom Slide Size menu, you'll notice options for both portrait and landscape orientations. These are the two primary ways to orient your slides. Landscape is the default and widely used format, characterized by its wider than tall layout. It's perfect for most presentations, especially when dealing with lots of data or visuals that need room to breathe. On the other hand, portrait orientation offers a taller than wide layout, ideal for posters, mobile view presentations, or documents designed to be scrolled through. Choose the orientation that best suits your content's needs by selecting either portrait or landscape. This decision will largely depend on the nature of your presentation and the kind of impact you wish to create. After making your selection, the final step is to confirm your choice by clicking OK. This action prompts PowerPoint to apply your chosen orientation to your slides. A confirmation dialog might appear, giving you options on how you'd like to apply the change, whether to all slides or just the selected slide. Make your choice based on your presentation's requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully rotated your PowerPoint slide. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance the presentation of your content, tailoring it to the specific needs of your audience or the demands of your project. Keep in mind, as you experiment with different orientations, the dimensions of your content might shift. This may require a bit of tweaking of text boxes, images, or other elements to ensure everything looks just right. Remember, the key to a successful presentation is not just in the content, but also in how it's presented. Taking the time to adjust the orientation of your slides can significantly contribute to more engaging and visually appealing presentations. Whether you're gearing up for a professional business presentation, an academic lecture, or any other scenario, the power to captivate your audience is right at your fingertips. In closing, I hope this tutorial has illuminated the simple yet impactful process of rotating your PowerPoint slides. With these steps, you're well equipped to tailor your presentations to perfection, ensuring maximum impact on your audience. Keep exploring PowerPoint's vast array of features to discover even more ways to enhance your presentations. Thank you for following along this tutorial, and remember, the art of a great presentation starts with how well you can communicate your ideas visually. Happy presenting!